Hey everyone, welcome back! Got a hole in your favorite clothes? Don't throw them away. Today I'll show you 2 genius embroidery hacks to turn any hole into beautiful art. Super easy and no sewing machine needed. Ready to get creative? Let's dive in! Alright, for our first hack, we're starting with this cute little hole right here on these jeans. Instead of hiding it, we're going to frame it with some beautiful embroidery. We'll use simple stitches like the satin stitch or basic outlining to create a floral design around the hole. See how I'm weaving the thread? It's so relaxing! Where are you watching from today? Drop your city or country in the comments and tell me what kind of clothes you want to repair. Which colors would you choose? See how I'm weaving the thread? I will do slowly. Thanks so much for watching. Drop a heart if you're inspired. Moving on to hack number 2. This one's perfect for bigger holes or even tears on sweaters. We're turning the damage into a playful patch of embroidery, almost like a little window of art. I love using contrasting thread here, maybe some greens and pinks for a fresh vibe. Just outline the edges first, then fill it in with fun patterns. It takes just a few minutes once you get the hang of it. If you enjoyed this video and want more DIY repair ideas, clothing hacks, and upcycling tips, hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss anything. And if you try any of these, please share your results in the comments or tag us. I love seeing your creations. And I'll see you in the next one. Stay creative and happy mending. Bye for now.